Welcome back to the class. Hope the previous lesson went well, since during the following lesson I suggest us to embroider another flower. And today I'm using transparent beads, then a light pink color beads and rose. Starting from the external surface of the flower by making your lock, place sufficient amount of beads in order to impart extra volume for the flower, and then put your needle into the closest internal line. Secure the beads and repeat. Next, I would like to start adding extra color to my flower and add pink beads. Again, I will not place the same amount of the beads for each chain, but always keep it on varying. Sometimes I place 3, sometimes 5. It depends. When the first level is completed, I turn inside the flower and repeat the same process, adding rose color within. Thus complete the flower, adding a few purple color beads in order to highlight the hooded core. The flower is ready. I'd like you to repeat the same, however, with your own vision on colors. Photograph your work and send it to me along with the questions or comments if you have.